Okay, so we are now in our last example. So example 8. So we are tasked to find the equation of the circle which passes through the points 1, 2, 5, 4, and 10, 5. Okay, so example 8. Example 8. So, ibig sabihin yan guys, if this is your circle, so lahat ng points is na-pass through. Okay, or within the circle. So again, we have that concept again. So any point that passes through a curve, so should satisfy the equation. Okay, so meaning, ito na mga points guys, so pwede natin ito i-substitute directly sa general equation ng ating circle. But we will be using the reduced general equation of the circle, wherein that is equal to, so x squared plus y squared, so plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So we will be using this reduced general equation of the circle. Okay, so isisahin natin guys. So we have this point. So point at 1, 2. So at 1, 2. So ang gagawin natin dito sa 1, 2, isubstitute na natin doon sa reduced general equation natin. So they have that 1 squared, then plus 2 squared plus d times 1, then plus e, then times 2, then plus f is equal to 0. So if we simplify that, so we have d plus 2e, then plus f is equal to negative 5. Okay, so we will denote this as our first equation. Okay, so that is for the first point. Next, so at 5, 4. So at 5, 4, so substitute that with 5 squared, then plus 4 squared, then plus x 5d, then plus y 4e, then plus f is equal to 0. Okay, so if we simplify that, so we have 5d plus 4e plus f is equal to negative 41. Okay, so negative 41. So this will be our second equation. Then for the last point, so that is at 10, 5. Okay, so at 10, 5, so substitute again 10 squared, then plus 5 squared, then plus 10d, then plus 5e plus f is equal to 0. Okay, so simplifying, so we have 10d plus 5e plus f is equal to negative 125. Okay, so this will be our third equation. So what we'll be doing is solve equations 1, 2, 3 simultaneously. So if we solve that simultaneously using eliminations or using your calculator, if you know the technique already, then we'll be getting d, which is equal to negative 22, then e is equal to 26, then f is equal to negative 35. Okay, so with these values, so we will substitute that with our reduced general equation. So therefore, x squared plus y squared, then minus 22x, then plus 26y, then minus 35 is equal to 0. Okay, so this will be the equation of our circle. Okay, so given those points that passes through the circle. Okay, so that's all for for our lesson. Okay, so thank you guys and keep safe everyone.